Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by preparing the tuna filling and the rice. Use 1 can, 5 ounces, tuna drained, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Mix until combined. Prepare 2 cups cooked sushi rice seasoned with 2 tablespoons rice vinegar and 1 teaspoon sugar. Fold gently and cool to room temperature. Have 4 sheets nori, 1/2 cucumber sliced into thin strips, and 1 avocado sliced. Also set out a bamboo mat. Place your bamboo mat on the counter and cover with plastic wrap to protect it. Place a nori sheet shiny side down on the mat so the rough side faces up. Spread 1/2 cup rice evenly across the nori using wet fingers, leaving a 1-inch top edge free to seal the roll. Arrange a line of tuna mixture, cucumber strips, and avocado near the bottom edge of the rice, centered left to right. Press the fillings lightly into the rice so they stay compact when you roll. Begin rolling by lifting the mat edge closest to you and tucking the nori over the fillings, then roll forward while pulling the mat away so it doesn't get rolled into the sushi. Tuck and roll using the mat, apply gentle pressure to form a tight cylinder, and seal the exposed nori edge with a little water. Place the roll seam side down and let rest for 1 minute. Wet a sharp knife and cut into 8 pieces, wiping the blade between cuts to keep clean slices. Serve with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi. Refrigerate leftovers within 2 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.